In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF into multiple files in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to share just part of a document, break up a large file, or organize sections separately, splitting a PDF is a simple and reliable way to do it right inside Acrobat. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat and opening the PDF you want to divide. Give the file a quick scan so you know how it's organized and where natural breakpoints might be. This will help you choose the best splitting method. Next, head to the Tools area and select Organize Pages. This view is designed for rearranging, inserting, deleting, and yes, splitting pages, so it's the perfect place to work. You'll see thumbnails of all your pages, which makes it easy to visualize how the file will break apart. In the Organize Pages toolbar, click Split. This opens the split options, where you choose how Acrobat will divide the file. You have 3 choices, and each serves a different need. Number of pages is great when you want uniform chunks. For example, if you set it to 5, Acrobat will create a new PDF every 5 pages. This is handy for reports, manuals, or any document where equal sections make sense. File size is ideal when you're concerned about limits for email or uploads. You choose a maximum size, and Acrobat will keep each new PDF under that threshold. This option focuses on the output size rather than page count, which can be helpful if images or graphics make some sections heavier than others. Top-level bookmarks is the most structured option. If your PDF already has main bookmarks, often created from a table of contents or major headings, Acrobat will use those to split the file into separate PDFs at each top-level bookmark. This is perfect for splitting chapters, modules, or distinct sections without manually calculating pages. Once you've selected the method that fits your goal, confirm your settings and click Split. Acrobat will process the document and create separate PDFs based on your choices. You'll see a confirmation when it's done, and the new files will be saved accordingly. Typically, they'll follow a clear naming pattern derived from your original file so you can identify them quickly. That's all there is to it. By choosing the right split option, by pages, by size, or by top-level bookmarks, you can tailor the output to your workflow and keep your documents organized and easy to share. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.